knocks, engine knocking, pinging, or unusual sounds. Listen carefully to your engine. If you hear knocking, pinging, or irregular sounds, it may be related to poor combustion. When spark plugs don't fire correctly, fuel may ignite unevenly. That can create abnormal pressure inside the cylinders, and that leads to those unusual sounds. While knocking can have multiple causes, worn spark plugs are one of the simplest and most common ones to check first. So if your engine sounds different than before, do not ignore